There's Devan, and there's CineBrosSurpreme Jack.
What's going on, man?
I heard whenever you first my brother Travis, and there's Lucas, and there's Devan again.
So, do people know what's going on today?
I didn't give the whole gist of it, yeah.
You want me to?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm gonna be your special guest, and we're going to a concert. You want to say I'll let you have the honor of saying.
We are going to the Anvil concert.
That's right. For those of you who don't know Anvil, we're a Canadian metal band from Toronto, and they're pretty fucking awesome. They've been around since the late 70s, early 80s, but they only got recognition lately because of bad management and shit like that. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. We're gonna go see them.
Buildings in the malls. It's gonna be awesome. And there's McDonald's. I had this like McGriddle for breakfast. Oh, it didn't sit very well with my stomach at all, and I've had a flu or a bug or something for the last week.
I'm jerking off on some guy's car. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, we're going. Hey! There's Jackson with CineBros.
It's a camera on a camera.
He's recording for his channel. I'm recording for mine. It's so cool.
Your quality's gonna kick my ass, but whatever.
Oh well, it's still cool.
Different angles of me. I'm cool.
There's Devan.
So we kind of pulled over on the side of the road.
So we're heading over to see two giant yellow chairs at a hotel or a store or something. They're massive. I mean, I think they're right down there. And so we saw those on the side of the road and decided, nah, what the hell. Hey, Travis.
These two big yellow chairs we're gonna go sit on.
Yeah! Look at his ass.
I'm full back on that.
So we're all running down there, and I'll see you guys in a sec. So now that we ran here a little bit, look at these giant yellow chairs.
Sit on a
Sandwiched by two other guys. Best quality of life.
Oh guys, it looks really weird. You think the chair's really small?
Combine your legs. Pretzel.
No, I'm gonna get my picture taken here. I'll be right back. Getting pictures on the chair.
Travis having a wild time, you know.
So everybody was sitting in the chairs. Too bad they weren't giant toilets, so that'd be cool.
Yeah.
Imagine if they're giant toilets.
Yeah, that'd be so cool.
Like I said, giant.
No, it's just
weird.
them. It's gonna be this.
What's he doing?
They're too old.
You guys still like him.
Guys, I'm kind of scared. We're gonna take a quick one here.
We're taking pictures on these giant chairs.
Ready?
Oh yeah.
That is one.
I can't get up. I'll be up, man. Come on, you can do it.
Come on, just reach! Reach for the stars!
It's like a slow ride.
Yeah.
Take it easy! Slow ride!
Double footage, just rocking out.
Take it easy!
They got a whole bunch of guitars and movies, and Jax has been here more than me. So give us a little insight on the parlor.
Okay, so wait, we should all get this.
Double clue.
Double clue it, because for his channel, for my channel. Okay, what's going
They'll
on?
behind the scenes at the same time.
Okay, hey people in doomed cinemas land. We're at the Parlor right now, which is a great store. Maybe not as cool as Spin It, but still cool. They got lots of DVDs. They used to have VHS. I don't think they do anymore. Last time I came, they didn't have any, but we're gonna go check that out and see what we can find.
Hello over there at CineBros.
It's cold as hell.
Yeah, I know. I'm freezing to death.
Lots of course.
And the Anvil show starts at 8:30, so we're gonna just mess around.
We got 8 hours till the concert.
8 hours. So it's like what time right now?
It's well, that's actually 20 to 12, so a little less than
Oh,
8
that's not
hours.
bad. So here's a bunch of DVDs. What are the chances of that? That's the band we're going to be seeing tonight. Great movie. Here's a whole bunch of movies. Goes right down. Then you got Jax.
Find any goods?
We're playing over there with the guitars. Not yet, but I did find the Anvil movie. What are the chances of that? Oh, look, there's a Metallica one there too.
Oh, sweet.
Alright, so. Here's all the DVDs. DVDs on the racks. This is at the parlor. The parlor.
And the glove.
The glove. Walk around those racks.
Pumpkin.
Here's a Blu-ray. I'm gonna walk over to the other side of the store and see what Devan is doing.
Yeah, he was playing guitar earlier.
Alright, let's go see. So this is the guitar section of the store. There's Devan. Yeah! There's a door behind me. Playing something crazy. Alright, it's time to leave the parlor. Nice, Devan.
That's a fucking sweet guitar.
Now you gotta say, man, it smells like weed in here. Are you guys doing something else?
Is it really? I don't smell like it.
See, I play like shit, so I'm never gonna play on
This
camera.
guitar plays really nice.
How much is it?
$250,000. It's not bad.
We are now in the store. Spin it. Look at that, there's a giant Jason standee. Not sure if I'm allowed to have this in here, so I'll just turn the camera on and off from time to time. Alright. Here's the other half of the store. Spin it. There's Jax, and
Coming now.
Travis, and Devan. And
Damn it.
and there you got music stuff. I bought a record in there.
I did hit
I'll show you guys that later.
Ding, I hit it.
Like the vinyl, you can't find it anywhere, and you can't actually find the album on CD, so I figured I'd buy it.
How you doing? Remember this Breakthrough album?
Where's any spirit?
Look at all this stuff.
Man, she was so hot. This is a bad one right here.
VHS.
One more, man. Yeah, first one. I got that on DVD. DVD. Yes. You told me. I never even checked the second one.
And there you got a whole bunch of Star Wars stuff and posters and all that type of stuff. See? This store has like everything that you can possibly think of, besides the actual rocket ship, but oh, he's not moving. His arms are supposed to move. I remember seeing this when they first came out. Oh well.
Human cyborg relations and this is my counterpart complete.
Oh, that's badass. How much is that? $5? That's tempting. I want to spend all my money though before the Anvil show and end up not being able to buy a t-shirt or CD or anything. So I must be careful. Nice. Like, look at the size of these posters they have here. These ones are huge. So far, they're just really long. Oh, no way! That is a badass poster! Holy shit! Look at the size of that motherfucker. Here, I'm gonna go around the other way. Yeah, there's the regular ones. Look at the size of that thing's huge. I mean, like, here's the record I bought, for example. Wow-wee. That thing is massive. Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah, that's a pretty cool one. That's a cool one. Oh! Who is that? Yeah, that's Jimi Hendrix. Oh, that's a cool one. I've never seen one like that before. Oh, no way. That's a Jason Voorhees poster.
It's only $5
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I saw that too. It's only like $5.
Dude, look at this. Imagine hanging this from your room.
Yeah.
I'd fucking hang it from my room.
Are you getting it?
That was $15. I didn't bring it.
No, the $5 Darth Maul.
Nah.
Tempting though.
Yeah, I know. I really want to get this. Fuck. Imagine having Luke Skywalker in here, dude.
Yeah, and he's like hanging out. And then you go crazy and you start talking to it. Alright, let's get the hell out of here.